In this lesson, we shall discuss about physical changes that occurs in both boys and girls during adolescence. We will start with those changes that happen in boys. One of the changes is that their voices become deep. You realize that a boy was talking in a soprano, then all of a sudden he happens to be talking in bass, so the voice become deep. Another one is growth of pubic hair in the groin, armpit, and around the chest. This happen mostly around 15 to 16 years. You realize that there are some hair under your armpits. Then they may develop pimples on their faces. Not all boys, because in some pimples may not develop, but in most cases the pimples on their faces may develop and may take a while to go. Their chest broaden, that is, they become wide. You can see that a boy was very small at the beginning, but once in adolescent stage he becomes very big, especially on the chest. The genital organs increases in size or they enlarges. Genital organs, this is especially the penis. It increases in size. Then they start producing mature sperms. In a previous lesson we said that sperms are produced by the testes. So testes produce a lot of sperms, and these sperms are mature so they can fertilize an ovum, and then a zygote is formed. They also experience wet dreams. What are wet dreams? This is an instance where a boy may find that sperms or semen has been released during sleep. It is not bad, since it is just a sign of adolescence. This happens when a boy may dream about a girl, think about her until he wet dreams. The boys increases in size and weight since they are growing. This is the time that the body needs a lot of energy, and you may realize that the boy becomes very big, that is in size, and increases in weight. We'll go next to the physical changes that occur during adolescence in girls. They are not very different from those of boys, but there are still some differences because they are those experienced by girls, they can't be experienced by men, and there are those experienced by boys, they can't be experienced by girls. So we find that the girls begin experiencing menstrual flow. This is the blood that comes out every month from a girl's uterus when maybe the ovum has been released and it does not meet with the sperm, so it flows out as blood. This is when the ovum fractures and breaks after ovulation. The ovum will come out in form of blood discharge through the vagina. The breasts appear and they enlarge. This is physical. You can see breasts coming out or appearing. We also have hair grows around the pubic area and under their armpits. This is only known to them or well known to them, or they always see the pubic hair growing. Pimples may appear on their faces. This is the same as boys. They may take long to disappear. Some may never disappear. Then the ovaries become active and begin producing ovum once in every 28 days. That is 28 days for ovulation.